Hey Chicago, do you hate piano? If so, then do me a favor. Click skip, this is not for you. But if not, then watch, because this is a game changer. Learning piano can be tough. Then good luck trying to find a great teacher who also lives near you, as this can be hard, time consuming, and really expensive. That's why I created Premier Piano. By the way, I'm Christian, international pianist, founder of Contreras Music, and author of Premier Piano, with 24 years of experience and 2 master's degrees to my name. Yet once, I was a beginner pianist just like you. And I felt frustrated after watching all those random YouTube videos, boring lessons, and terrible teachers that actually charged way too much and taught me almost nothing. So I did something about it and created Premier Piano, the best piano learning system, period. In fact, I'm so confident that you will absolutely love it, that here is your sneak peek. What have you got to lose? Click the link right now and I'll see you at Premier